This is Hudson County TV, coming to you from the Jose Marti Freshman Academy in Union City for the annual Health and Wellness Fair, sponsored by the Union City Board of Education and Mayor Brian Stack. As you can see, a capacity crowd gathered here today in Union City to obtain more information about the Affordable Care Act and also to take advantage of all the free health screenings here available to increase their chances for a healthier lifestyle. During my visit, I was able to speak with Mylene Colon, who represents Blue Cross and Blue Shield, as she's here to provide answers for residents concerning the Affordable Care Act, but more importantly, what options they have in the health insurance marketplace.
Well, I think it's extremely important to bring this information to all of our communities, but especially our communities where we know that there is a real need for the information and bringing this out to people that are uninsured and making sure that they take advantage of all of the benefits and access to care that are coming under the Affordable Care Act.
Now, Ms. Colon, we know that the Affordable Care Act has been under a lot of scrutiny in the news lately. Working in the insurance industry yourself, what are some myths you want to maybe dispel or clarify for our viewers today?
Well, I would say one of the main myths that I hear is that this is Obamacare and the Affordable Care Act are two different things. There is a lot of misconception that they're two different programs, and they are not. The other thing is that this is an affordable, more affordable solution. It's not free. There's a lot of people that, again, would call and say, where is my free health care? And of course, this is not free. It's just to make it more affordable and accessible to those that would otherwise go without health insurance because they could not afford it.
There are a lot of viewers of mine that are certainly concerned about having their premiums increase exponentially, or even, again, having some of their insurance canceled outright. What are you seeing about that, and really, what's the best way for residents to sort of address that problem?
We hear the same concerns. I think that what the misconception is that people had the feeling that if they liked what they had, they would be able to keep it. But part of the law required that all of our policies included these 10 essential health benefits. And in order to do that, we really did have to recreate our entire portfolio of plans. That in itself is going to increase costs because the plans are much richer in benefits. So I would suggest people really take a look to see, one, if they're eligible for financial assistance, because we know many are. That should help to offset some of the increase. For those that don't qualify and do see an increase there, I know it's still a lot of debate about whether or not we're going to extend those older plans for another year. So I'd say, stay tuned, more to come, and that may be the solution for those.
Just one last question. Again, we appreciate a few minutes here. Where can our viewers go for more information, not just about Horizon Blue Cross, what you represent, but just more, insightful information about the Affordable Care Act?
I would say one of the best resources to go right onto healthcare.gov. There is, all the information is also available in English and Spanish. That will give them, soup to nuts understanding about all the information that's available. We have links on Horizon Blue, of course. We also have horizonazul.com that has links to other important resources like healthcare.gov and Enroll America for additional information.
Is the website working, you think, or are viewers going to continue to have the problems that we are seeing today?
I have faith that it will eventually be up and running. There are times even now that it works, but the stability, isn't there. But, we've gotten a commitment from the president that they're working on it and hope to see it actually occur, because there are a lot of people that actually need this coverage and they need it now. So thank you.
Ms. Colon, we appreciate a few minutes of your time. Thanks for the clarity. And again, the speculation and the controversy will continue on with the Affordable Care Act, but we appreciate you providing the clarity for our residents and viewers. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You'll continue to see exclusives such as this only on Hudson County TV. Thank you so much for watching. For more programming, please go to HudsonCountyTV.com. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Twitter. For everyone here at Hudson County TV, I'm Fernando Uribe. You stay classy, everyone.